So as given integral of dx divided by cubic root of x, we can go further and write this as integral of 1 divided by cubic root of x dot dx. When we said 1 multiplied by the x will exactly give us the x. Therefore, from here we can further write this as integral of 1 divided by cubic root of x then dot dx. So from this expression we can write this as integral of x, then from indices rule this would be x power negative 1 by 3, x power negative 1 by 3, then dx. So we can now move further and integrate this expression. This would be x power negative 1 by 3 plus 1, then divided by the powers, negative 1 by 3 plus 1, then plus constant c. Now we take LCM of this. LCM of negative 1 divided by 3 plus 1 would be, we can take 3 into 3, 1 times negative 1 plus we have divided by 1 here, 1 into 3 times 1 is 3. So this gives us minus 1 plus 3, that is 2 divided by 3. So we can plug this 2 by 3 instead of all this. This would be x power 2 by 3 divided by, this also becomes 2 by 3 plus c. So we can now multiply this 3 with x. This would be equals to 3x power 2 by 3 divided by 2 plus c. Very simple. All right, question number 2 is given as integral of root of x plus 1 divided by root of x dx. We can further simplify this as integral of x power 1 over 2 as the root, then plus 1 divided by x power 1 over 2 as this root also, then dot dx. Let me put them in a bracket. So from this expression we can we can further write it as x power 1 over 2 plus, from the indices law here we have x power negative 1 by 2, then dx. So from here we can further go and integrate this value. This would be equals to x power 1 divided by 2, then plus 1 divided by the powers, 1 by 2 plus 1, then plus x power minus 1 over 2, x power minus 1 over 2 plus 1, then divided by the same power, 1 by 2 plus 1, then plus constant c. So from this we can take the LCM of this, 1 by 2 plus 1 and negative 1 by 2 plus 1. LCM of 1 by 2 plus 1 would be 1 by 2 plus 1. The LCM would be 2 into 2, 1 times 1 plus, we have by 1 here, 1 into 2 times 1, 2, which give us 3 by 2. So instead of this we can write 3 by 2. Now this would be x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2, then plus this x, this negative 1 by 2 plus 1, its LCM becomes 1 by 2 since it is half plus 1, divided by 1 by 2, then plus c. So we can now multiply this 2 with x, and we can multiply this 2 also with this x. this would be 2x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 plus 2x power 1 over 2 plus c. This is the answer. Very simple.